गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે સેલેરી એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 8 કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 9 that is example number 30 of your book. Mr. Viswam joined a company on 1/4/2007 as a accountant in the salary scale of 18,000, 1,000, 3,000. Annual increment become due on 1st April. He is a specified employee. He provide the following benefit for the year ended on 31st March 2020. DA 40% of basic pay, contribution to recognized provident fund by both 12% of salary, city compensatory allowance 2,000 per month, interest 12% per annum, credited to recognized provident fund account 2,400, house rent allowance 1,000 per month, entertainment allowance 1,000 per month, tour and traveling allowance 24,000, out of which 8,000 is saving is taxable. Company has provided 1.8 cc car partly for private use and partly for business use, office use. All its expense are met by employee. Free education provided to 2 children in a school run by the company. Average monthly cost of such education in similar school is rupees 1,000 per month. The company pay rupees 6,000 for gas water facility for his personal use. Leave encashment amount received in case rupees 6,000. Free lunch provided on 200 working days. Cost per lunch is rupees 100. Company pay rupees 6,000 per month telephone facility. He has paid professional tax 2,400 and house rent 36,000. Compute his taxable salary for the assessment year 2020-2021. First of all, we prepare statement showing taxable income from salary of Mr. Viswam for assessment year 2020-21, financial year 2019-20. First, basic salary. We have to find out basic salary. Note number 1, basic salary. He joined on 1/4/2017. His salary grade is 18,000, 1,000, 30,000. So on 17 his salary is 18,000. On 1/4/2018 he received increment of rupees 1,000. Now his salary become 19,000. On 1/4/2019 he get increment of 1,000. Now his salary become rupees 20,000 per month. For entire year April to March his salary is constant, that is 20,000 per month. Yearly salary 20,000 multiplied by 12, 2,40,000. 2,40,000. First, dearness allowance, that is DA, is 40% of basic pay, that is 2,40,000. Now 40%. 96,000. Second, contribution to recognized provident fund by employers RPF contribution at the rate of 12%. Up to 12% it is totally exempted, so none of this is taxable. so dash. Third, interest credited to city compensatory allowance rupees 2000 per month. City compensatory allowance rupees 2000 per month. So yearly 2000 multiplied by 12, 24,000. Fourth, interest credited to RPF account. Interest credited to RPF account, that is working note number 2. Working note number 2, RPF interest. Percentage amount 12% per annum. ત્યારે amount કેટલી છે? 2400. Actual received 12% minus exempted 9.5%. So taxable 12 minus 9.5, that is 2.5 is taxable. So 12% है 2400 तो 2.5 है how much? 2400 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 12. That is 500. So taxable interest is 500. Fifth, house rent allowance rupees 1000 per month. HRA. Working note number 3. HRA. First of all, we have to find out salary for the purpose of HRA. Salary, that means basic 2,40,000 plus DA retirement benefit. DA retirement benefit માં consider થાય છે એવું કે આપણે કીધું નથી, so don't consider. Commission on sale, commission on sale વિશે પણ કોઈ information નથી. So salary for the purpose of HRA is 2,40,000. Now minimum from following is exempted. First, actual HRA received. Actual HRA received by him is rupees 1000 per month, 12,000. Second, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid by him is given in information number 40. He paid rupees 36,000 as a house rent. So 36,000 minus 2,40,000 na 10%. That is 36,000 minus 24,000. 36 minus 24, that is 12,000. And last, third, 40% of salary. He is living in non-metro city, so 2,40,000 and a 40%, that is 96,000. Out of these three, minimum is exempted, so exempted is 12,000 and taxable is equal to actual received minus exempted. Actual received is also 12,000, exempted is also 12,000. So taxable is equal to 0. Taxable HRA nil. Sixth, entertainment allowance rupees 1000 per month. Entertainment allowance rupees 1000 per month. He is non-government employee, so total entire entertainment allowance is taxable 12,000. Seventh, tour and traveling allowance, out of which 8,000 is saved. Saved tour and traveling allowance, that is 8,000. Next, The company has provided 1.8 liter car. So motor car facility. Working note number 4, motor car. Cubic capacity and expense. Cubic capacity 1.6 liter के ना करता ओછી. So 1.6 liter or less, greater than 1.6 liter. Expense paid by employee, expense paid by employer. So it is given that the company provided 1.8 liter car. So car ni capacity 1.6 करता વધારે છે. Partly used for business and partly for personal. All the expenses are made by employee. All the expenses are made by employee. 600, 900, 1800, 2400. So 900 is taxable. 900 multiplied by 12, 10800. 10800. 9. Free education. ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ છે આપણા માટે એજ્યુકેશન ફેસિલિટી. એકચ્યુઅલ ₹1000 પર મંથ. સિમિલર એજ્યુકેશનની કોસ્ટ ઓલ્સો 1000 ઇઝ એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ. સો એન્ટાયર ઇઝ નીલ. 10. ગેસ વોટર બિલ પર્સનલ ગેસ electricity bill pay by company, that is 6000. 11th, leave encashment. रिटायरमेंट टाइम और डेथ टाइम મળે તો એ ટોટલી એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે અપ ટુ ₹3 લાખ સુધી. બટ ઇન બિટવીન સર્વિસમાં મળે તો ટોટલી ટેક્સેબલ થશે. દેટ ઇઝ 6000 ટોટલી ટેક્સેબલ. ફ્રી લંચ ફેસિલિટી. વર્કિંગ નોટ નંબર 5, લંચ ફેસિલિટી. Working note number 5. Actual cost per dish is ₹100 minus exempted per dish ₹50. 50 is taxable. Lunch is provided for 200 days, so multiplied by 200 days, 50 multiplied by 200, that is 10,000. 10,000. Next, 13. The company pays 6,000 per month telephone facility. Telephone facility is fully exempted. Telephone facility. Total of this is gross salary, 2,40,000 plus 96,000 plus 24,000 plus 500 plus 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 10800 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000, that is 4,13,300. 4,13,300 less specified deduction, standard deduction rupees 50,000, professional tax 200 per month, total 2,400. Total of this is 52,400. So 3,60,900. 3,60,900 is taxable salary. Here our sum is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.